Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoTakeOver, coming back with another video again for y'all this evening. And look, we just had this humongous dump on us, and oh my gosh, is Bitcoin going to zero? I don't know. Is it going to 100K maybe by tomorrow? No, I'm just playing. Sorry, I had to crack myself up a little bit, but anyways, hey, welcome back to the channel, y'all. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Obviously, we saw this coming, right? We use Market Cipher on this channel if you're brand new. But with that being said, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every time that I make a video on this channel about Bitcoin. And let's jump into the charts. Okay, y'all. So, recently we just had this dump on us, and we kind of wanted to go over the charts just a tad bit to see what Market Cipher was telling us. Was my Patreon group ready for this? My paid signals group, and the thing is yes we were, and it took a little while for it to play out for us, but I hope they're doing okay. And what I want to do is kind of go over the charts just a tad bit just to see what we can find as support maybe, and what is going to hold, what's not going to hold. Do we still see this going lower? So that's yet to be determined, but I wanted to kind of hop in here just to see what was happening since I do want to be putting out videos every single day. So you can see here on a 30-minute, we were constantly getting rejected by this VWAP, okay? And then boom, we came up above the VWAP, quick fake out, boom, all the way back down. So we could have had shorts in every time we every time we touch this VWAP, and then boom, back down to the downside. So right now our 30-minute is looking still like a reddish money flow as well. We'll take a look at our 45 just now turning into that red money flow. What I was telling my Patreon members was that I wanted to wait to see. I'm short from 80 or 9,700 right now, and I'm sitting in about 50% profit right now. So dude, shout out to us, shout out to the Patreon group, shout out to Market Cipher, all of them. You know, we're doing our thing over here, y'all. And it's interesting because you know, Market Cipher is not a precision indicator. It is not going to give you the precision moves that, or precision price points that, you know, some people might say that they can read. You know, Market Cipher is more of a momentum indicator to let you know the momentum of the market for the most part. So just to be aware of that. If sometimes I may not give precision calls, but it is definitely a momentum move, more or less, right? So we're looking at our 1 hour here right now, and we can see that we're just now starting to clip into that reddish territory. Also, big blood diamonds here, 2 big blood diamonds. That's crazy, y'all. 2 big blood diamonds to send us out of our channel that we found that we were looking to find support in at about that 9,300 area, or that 9,380. We are currently sitting at 9,300 right now. Just big drastic move in the market, y'all. I'm not sure if this is due to the coronavirus thing still, but we do know that that had an effect on the markets yesterday when the markets opened, even in the stock market, and we're just kind of still trending down here. So what I am going to want to do is, I had profit taken at about 9,200, but I think I'm going to let it sit for just a little bit longer. And the reason being is because we can also see that our 2 hour hasn't even moved into that red money flow just yet. And I feel that we're still going to need to see that as well. Red X's, red diamonds, currently trending underneath our 21 and our 13 EMA as well on our 2 hour. 4 hour here. I mean, we're breaking support lines right now as well on our 4 hour too. Money flow on our 4 hour, not looking like it's too heavy, but at the same time, if we come down here and put in a big green dot, that'll be more of an area that I feel that might need to be looked at as taking profit area too. When we start to put in these green dots and maybe signal a trend reversal on us. But for right now, money flow is still in the red on most of our time frames. And let's see, our 6 hour, 6 hours, same thing as well. Money flow just not moving into the red. And this is what I wanted to keep an eye on too, because we had so much money flow in the green and we were making this rounded top here. And then boom, we're starting to put in that red money flow. So my Telegram group was up to date with this as well. The Telegram group is free to join if y'all want to join. The only thing that is paid for is the Patreon group. And by the way, guys, I'm raising the price in the Patreon paid signals group by the end of this week. So y'all need to go ahead and get signed up now if y'all want to be part of the signals group. I'm thinking about capping it at probably about 100 people. So those tiers will be splitting up by the end of this month. And to be a part of the paid signals group is going to cost a little bit more. But if you get signed up before March, then you will get both the Patreon group and the paid signals group for the price of one as of right now. But like I said, the price will be changing by the end of this week, so y'all need to get signed up now. I'll probably be putting a cap on the private signals group as well, just because I don't want a bunch of people in there, and I don't want people really complaining and stuff about a bunch of different other things either. So yeah, go ahead and check out the Patreon group. If not, the Telegram group is free to join. Y'all are welcome to join the Telegram group. And then also, y'all can still join the Discord server, but the private channel, the private signals group is for the Patreon members only. So just a heads up. 6 hour, still just moving into that red money flow. I think I'll see more of a red money flow here before we start to move back into that greenish area. Probably want to see a big green dot down here as well on our 6 hour. And then as we move into our 8 hour, sell signals all over the place on our time frames. 8 hours, same thing, still not even in the red money flow yet, but still had that rounded top here with our money flow and still sending us down to the downside. 12 hour, same thing, not even in the red money flow yet, but it was starting to round here like it wanted to continue back downward. So looking like a major sell-off that is about to occur right now. I did tell the Telegram group when I saw this blood diamond, things could be things could get a little crazy right now. So I do give free signals sometimes to my Telegram group. It's not really indicators of whether I'm getting in or out, but just things that they can keep an eye on. And with the private signals, it's more or less what I'm doing with my money going in and out in the market, if I'm longing or shorting as well. And then also, guys, I do weekly newsletters, weekly giveaways as well. I think the next giveaway I'm going to do once we hit 5,000 subs. I'll keep you up to date with that. But get signed up for the newsletter if y'all want to qualify for those giveaways. And then also y'all can, keep up to date with me on what I'm doing with the weekly newsletters that I send out as well. There's the Patreon group, Discord group, and the Telegram server as well. Also, I use a TradingView Pro Plus plan. If y'all want to upgrade, y'all can use the affiliate link down in the description box below. Or if y'all are using Market Cipher, I would recommend using the Pro Plus plan. It just allows a few more indicators on the screen. If y'all just want to buy and hodl, y'all can also buy a Ledger Nano X right now and get a free Ledger Nano S when you order with the affiliate link down in the description box below. And if buying and hodling is your strategy, that's perfectly fine. We're trying to compound our interest a little bit more by leverage trading, and the exchange that we use mostly is Bybit. So y'all are welcome to sign up with the affiliate link down in the description box below as well. But please use a testnet when you get signed up. Make sure that you are a profitable trader. That's why I asked that you use a testnet. You just want to message support and ask them how to access the testnet. It's like a two-step process, and that's without being super risky with your Bitcoin, right? If you are a USA citizen and you want to leverage trade, Prime XBT allows you to leverage trade a bunch of different assets as well too, using Bitcoin. And then also I use the Brave browser to browse the web. So feel free to check out the Brave browser, super lightweight browser. I earn BAT token every month by clicking on ads that pop up in my bottom right hand corner. Other than that, it's a totally like non-intrusive ad-free browsing experience when you use the Brave browser. So it's probably going to be one of those browsers of the future for sure. And then also CryptoTab browser allows you to mine Bitcoin straight from this web browser. So y'all can also get signed up or click the link in the description box below and help support the channel. But it just allows you to mine Bitcoin straight from your web browser. I have it running on about 2 different computers right now. You can run it on an old tablet or an old phone that you don't use anymore too. And it's just an easy way to start earning passive income and start earning Bitcoin for free, right? Also follow me on Twitter and Instagram if y'all like to. And we're just going to finish out the charts here. Take a look at our 12-hour. And then, so it looks like we're trying to find support at our 100 EMA here at about 9,200, which might be a good area to start taking some profit possibly. And then also once we get into our daily, we can see that we're getting support here on our 50. Also, now what we want to see is that if we come back down to retest the 100 or the 200 daily moving average, which I've said that we've been needing to retest as well, we are getting somewhat of a golden cross here from our 200 and our 100. But I feel that we need to come back down and retest our 200 daily moving average at about 8,800. That to just signify that we are still in the bull run that a lot of us want to be in, you know. And if it's another fake out like we had during the China pump, that is another possibility as well. But as you can see, we are starting to get more above this 200 daily moving average every time we do break above it. So we can also keep that in mind as well too. And then if we go into our 2-day, I did want to look back at the 1-day money flow, still starting to round just a little bit. And we do have a red dot here indicating that we could still be heading a little bit more down to the downside. Our 2-day. 2-day, you know, we're still waiting for this to turn green, but I think it's going to be a little bit longer than we expect. Maybe by midweek, we'll start to see another reversal here. I would say by Wednesday, we'll probably end up seeing some more upside or a bottoming out happening by that day as well too, to finally trigger this 2-day to send us back to that upside there. But extremely high volatility right now. Our 3-day just had a sell signal as well. It may not mean too much because it does seem like we kind of are in somewhat of a bull run. So our next couple of candles could actually signal another buy, or this may not even confirm, to be honest. I would say we'll know something by Wednesday or Thursday what the market wants to do, and then go from there. Our 4-day here, also money flow still kind of rounding just a tad bit, maybe indicating that we want to put in another anchor wave on the bottom of Cipher B as well. This is our 5-day money flow still rounding, maybe come down, put in another anchor wave down here too as well. It's always a possibility. 6-day. 6-day, what I was looking at were these dojis here, indicating maybe a reversal pattern possibly. So we'll just keep an eye on that. Our weekly money flow is still looking pretty healthy, but maybe about to put in a red dot here on our weekly as well, determining how the end of February closes. So February, super high volatility month right now. We're trying to be safe out there. I want y'all to be safe. If y'all do want to join if y'all do want to join the Patreon group, like I said, prices are changing by the end of this week, going into March. I will split the tiers up for the private signals and for just the Patreon group, but y'all can get 2 of those for the price of 1 right now. So feel free to sign up for it. And with that being said, let me give a shout out to all of my Patreon members right now. We have Black Wagon, BTC Punisher, Coin Chris, Greg, Haru Yuri, Ayuk Un, Jonah, Justin Bryant, Conrad N, Mr. James H. Hunter, August Dogensoy, Paul A. Keller, Paul Haynes, Pike 379, Shane Stein, and Unique Object. Thank you all for being supporters. And like I said, I'll probably cap the private signals group whenever I split the tiers up. So just a heads up on that. But we're going to stay safe out there, and I will keep y'all up to date in the Telegram group and also keep a close eye on anything happening with my Patreon members as well. With that being said, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I make a Bitcoin video every single day on this channel. CTO signing out.